This is the X8R Kingpin repair kit, suitable for Suzuki Jimnys between 1998 to 2018 to solve the dreaded death wobble steering shimmy issue which arises due to the bearings and gaskets failing, causing water ingress. X8R offers 3 variations of repair kit depending on the level of repair you need. The most comprehensive kit includes kingpins, bearings, Maxima grease, oil seals, circlip, vacuum line bungs and plugs, RTV sealant, and the relevant bolts and washers. This kit is the most comprehensive kit currently on the market, so you do not need to purchase items from various suppliers. Please see the description below for a link to the full instruction guide and link to purchase the product.